Hello students, my name is Alok Semwal and in today's lecture I am going to discuss about analytical method validation as per ICH guidelines. In analytical chemistry, qualification of equipment is a prerequisite for validation of the process in which the equipment is being used, and calibration of various measuring devices is an important part of qualification. Various measuring devices include various types of glassware and instruments used in analytical chemistry. Calibration of these devices is very important as we are dependent on these instruments for data collection. If the glassware and instruments used in any type of data collection process are not calibrated, then the data obtained will be under a big question mark. So before understanding the definition of calibration as per ICH, we will understand for what ICH stands for. ICH, which is the International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements of Pharmaceuticals for Human Use, is unique in bringing together the regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical industry to discuss scientific and technical aspects of pharmaceuticals and develop ICH guidelines. Since its inception in 1990, ICH has gradually evolved to respond to increasingly global developments in the pharmaceutical sector, and these ICH guidelines are applied by a growing number of regulatory authorities. ICH's mission is to achieve greater harmonization worldwide to ensure that safe, effective and high-quality medicines are developed, registered and maintained in the most resource-efficient manner whilst meeting high standards. So according to ICH, calibration is the demonstration that a particular instrument or device produces results within specified limits by comparison with those produced by a reference or traceable standard over an appropriate range of measurements. Following definition defines that according to ICH, calibration is the demonstration that if a particular instrument or device produces results within the specified limits or not. Also, the data obtained is verified by comparison with the data from reference standard within an appropriate range of measurements. A standard is considered as a repeatable, agreed and documented way of doing something. Standards generally contains technical specifications or other precise criteria designed to be used consistently as a rule, guideline or definition. Standards results from the collective work by experts in a field. For example, in pharmaceutical sciences, IP, which is Indian Pharmacopoeia, BP, British Pharmacopoeia and USP, United States Pharmacopoeia are used as reference standards. Hierarchy of standards. There is a three-level hierarchy of physical measurement standards which always remain of prime importance. These are primary standards, secondary standards, and working standards. As the name suggests, primary standards are made to the highest metrological quality, and that is why they are a definitive definition of the unit of measurement. Next one, secondary standards are calibrated by the help of reference to a primary standard. The third one, working standards, are used for the calibration purpose. Generally, calibration of commercial and industrial equipments were done by using working standard limits. Validation as per ICH. Since the generation of ICH, Q2 was the major guideline for the validation of analytical methods. The content of this guideline was previously included in two separate guidelines coded Q2A and Q2B, which were unified to the Q2R1 guideline in November 2005. ICH Q2R1. Prime objective of the ICH Q2R1 guideline is validation of analytical procedures. Objective of validation is to demonstrate and check that if the analytical procedure is suitable for the intended purpose or not. In the analytical method validation, tabular summation of various characteristics is done for the identification, control of errors, and various assay procedures are also performed. Now a question may arise in everyone's mind that why analytical method validation is important. So analytical method validation is very important for ensuring quality control. It verifies and confirms the system suitability. System suitability is the verification of any instrument for any particular method. Analytical method validation is also important for the registration application process of any finished product or method, and it is also essential for submission of report to Compendium. Compendium is a directory or a reference book, for example, Indian Pharmacopoeia. Types of analytical procedures to be validated. There are various analytical procedures which needs to be validated in relation to produce accurate results. These methods include various identification tests, quantitative tests for checking the impurity content, various limit tests for the control of identified impurities, and finally, quantitative tests for the active moiety in samples or any drug substance or drug product or other selected component or components in the drug product. Before method validation, there are various considerations which must be followed to define a method development goals and acceptance criteria. These include suitability of instrument. Suitability of the instrument is important for ensuring the status of qualification and calibration of instruments. Next one is suitability of materials. This is required for the status of reference standards, reagents, etc. Next, suitability of analyst is for ensuring the status of training and qualification records of the analyst. And last one, suitability of documentation is also confirmed for the suitability of written analytical procedure and proper approved protocol with pre-established acceptance criteria. All of these criteria enables us to determine whether a method has developed in the way you need it for the control of product quality. Various methods that require validation documentation are chromatographic methods, spectrophotometric methods, capillary electrophoresis methods, particle size analysis methods, dissolution methods, titration methods, and automated analytical methods. Analytical method validation. Validation of an analytical method is the process by which it is established by laboratory studies that the performance characteristics of the method meet the requirements for the intended analytical applications. So, analytical method validation is the process of documenting or proving that the performance characteristics of the method meets the requirements for the intended analytical applications. Typical analytical performance characteristics used in method validation are specificity, which is also known as selectivity, linearity, range, accuracy, precision, detection limit, quantitation limit, robustness, and system suitability testing. I will discuss followings in the next presentation. Following are the references of this presentation. Thank you.